బెంగళూరులో ఘనంగా ప్రారంభమైన మరో క్రేజీ సౌత్ సినిమా ప్రేక్షకుల్లో ఆసక్తి రేకెత్తోస్తోంది. ప్రముఖ నిర్మాత లవ్ శర్మ, నటి నీతా శర్మ, సంగీత దర్శకుడు లయ, కోకిల సమక్షంలో ఈ కొత్త చిత్రం ముహూర్తం వైభవంగా జరిగింది. సాంప్రదాయ పూజ కార్యక్రమాలతో ప్రారంభమైన ఈ సినిమా ఇప్పటికే సినీ వర్గాల్లో చర్చనీయాంశంగా మారింది. మిస్టరీ థ్రిల్లర్ నేపథ్యంలో రూపొందుతున్న ఈ చిత్రం పట్టణ జీవన శైలికి సంబంధించిన హై స్టేక్ కథతో తెరకెక్కనుంది. కొత్త దర్శకుడు వినూత్నంగా తెరకెక్కిస్తున్న ఈ ప్రాజెక్టులో లయ, కోకిల మరియు నీతా శర్మల జంట ప్రత్యేక ఆకర్షణగా నిలుస్తుంది అని చిత్ర యూనిట్ భావిస్తోంది. ఈ సందర్భంగా నిర్మాత లవ్ శర్మ మాట్లాడుతూ, బలమైన కథ, అద్భుతమైన నటీనటులతో సినిమా ప్రేక్షకులను చివరి వరకు ఉత్కంఠంలో ఉంచుతుందన్నారు. ఇక ఈ చిత్రం భారీ స్థాయిలో నిర్మిస్తూ దక్షిణ భారతదేశంలో పలు భాషల్లో విడుదల చేయాలి అని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. శాండల్వుడ్ ప్రముఖుల సమక్షంలో జరిగిన ఈ ముహూర్తం వేడుక మరింత ప్రత్యేకంగా నిలిచింది. షూటింగ్ వచ్చే వారి నుండి కర్ణాటకలో ప్రారంభం కానుండగా ఈ చిత్రం వెండితెరపై ఎలా మ్యాజిక్ చేస్తుందో చూడాలి అని సినీ అభిమానులు ఆసక్తిగా ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారు.
श्री विघ्नेश्वराय नमः। प्रणोदेवी सरस्वती वाजेर्वाजिनीवते धीनामजित्रेवतो महागणपते नमः। मनसोऽष्ट प्रार्थयामि नमस्करोमि मुक्ति ओम तदेवलग्नं सुनिर्मले वातावरणं चन्द्रवदन्तरे भाग विद्याबलं देवनन्दरे भालक्ष्मीपदे तेङ्ग्रे योगं स्मरामि वां आपोष्टामयापोस्तानोर्जेदादरहाय महेरणाय सुक्षसाय योगश्रुतमूर्तादस्य वाजेतेनः उच्चतेरो मातरः तस्मारङ्गवावो यस्य च जनतापो जनेताजनाय स्नानं समर्पयामि। स्नानानन्तरे आचमनीं समर्पयामि। गन्धद्वारां गुडादृशानित्यपुष्पाङ्गरीषिणीम् ईश्वरेकं सर्वभूतानां तामियोपक्वेश्यं दिव्या गन्धं समर्पयामि। ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवे नारायण नमोस्तुते। हरिद्रा कुङ्कुमचूर्णं समर्पयामि। अक्षतां कमलाकारं जाने पिन्दनं क्षतां अनन्ताय मस्तभ्यं अक्षतां हृदिरक्षताम् अक्षतां समर्पयामि। सेवन्तिका कुलचन्द्रकपाटलाद्ये पुन्नागजातिकरवीरसारपुष्पे बिल्वप्रकारतुलसीधरवल्लिकायेतां पूजयामि। विश्वमालिकां समर्पयामि। काण्डां देवानो धूमे धूमान्तराणि समर्पयामि। नाम पूजां करिष्ये। ओम सुखाय नमः। विघ्नराजाय नमः। नमः राजेशाय नमः। बालचन्द्राय नमः। विष्णुराय नमः। उपारगुरवे नमः। धर्मचित्तदायकाय श्री।
First of all, pranam and namaskar everyone. I'm here. My name is Neeta Sharma. I'm from Mumbai. As of all know that I'm here for the Puja Muhurat, and especially thanks to Nasir Da and thanks to Sunil Da, also Love Sharma sir and my cast and crew because they invite me here, and I'm doing as a lead also this. This is my fourth movie. My background actually I'm from Mumbai, and I have done a lot of modeling shows like Ramp Walk and all, and I have done movies, 4 movies, and serial also I have done before. So here in Bangalore we are in a temple, and it's a Ganesh temple. And no, Bangalore I have come earlier also, and I have done previously one project here, which was the 7 Deaths, and I have done in Mumbai also 2-3 projects. But my first movie was I Love You, and the second movie was Master 5. Okay, so now this is my fourth movie in Kannada. Kannada I have doing I'm doing second time, and also upcoming movie is there. So
now you are working in a South Indian industry. So how comfortable you are when you work with
see, actually, from the beginning, I really love South Indian movies, and I used to watch that movie also. And I like to work in South industry, So I was trying and searching an opportunity to work there. Finally, I got it, and I'm happy for that. And also, because of the help of my some friends like Laya sir and all, thanks to God also because he is giving me the opportunity to work here. Everyone said that in South Indian industry, where if people come now, definitely they will sign. Hopefully I'm also hoping myself to sign soon. So let's see.
now you are working in the Kannada industry. trying to learn Kannada or
Previously, I have done to Kannada Air, okay? Yes, it's little bit difficult to work here because of the language barrier, but I'm trying to understand and learn how somehow possibly. So yeah, obviously,
what are the genre you are working as a lead character? What different genres you are working?
yeah, it's a lead character only. I have done like some multi characters roles, like I have done some what is called that? It's not come to I'm expressing, but yes,
Posters on police days or something.
yeah, it's a police work also. Somewhere like a beggar also have done it as a lead, and somewhere I work like as a multi character also.
So what kind of genre movies you will be want to watch or you want to act?
See, so as an artist, what I believe, artist if he or she can do every character, that's called an artist, right? So I'm also comfortable to do any character. I'm not like specific. I will do this character and this. I'm okay.
So coming to this movie, what role you are doing and how many days you will be in Bangalore and shooting at the time?
Right now for 7 days I'm here, but hardly it will go 20 days for the shoot. And this is the lead character. Specifically, really, I don't know means a story about this, but somehow it's a very good story. So, let's see.
So you have gone through your character, what it will be there in the movie because I see a lot of children in the movie.
I'm also excited to know exactly what their character and I'm as he, so I'm playing a widow character, I guess. So let's see because I'm excited to work these children. They are so cutie pies, they are so good. I feel myself they are very talented compared to me.
So how about any future projects or what you
Future project in my hand I have again another 2 movie also. I don't think so we have to reveal the name, but if they are giving me the permission, definitely I will reveal name also. Name also, title also they announced. So it's a coming next 2 movies there.
So other than film industry, what are your hobbies or what is your daily life? Because most of the people will wanted to know like a celebrity like how it is and what you do other than this.
See, like other day, usually, obviously, home routine all, but I'm a pet and lover, so I used to take care of my pet also. And apart from that, I do fun activities like dancing, and then sometimes yoga, and then like moving around the cities. I like traveling, so these are all things I do. Rarely we don't get a time, right? Sometimes like monthly, 3 days, 4 days we get time, then we used to tour and used to visit the places to see and sometimes I used to learn some new, like I'm now coming to the Kannada industry, so I was sometimes I used to try the read books, Kannada books, to understand the language, to understand the people. So that's it I used to do.
Okay, so finally, what do you want to tell the audience in South Indian industry?
See, as I am like every artist or as an every actress, I'm not a well known right now, so but I'm trying. But especially I really need